Hello, crypto world. Well, it's Friday in the United States and market's not doing very much. I think the biggest announcement was that Strike is going to incorporate the Bitcoin Lightning Network with Shopify in partnership with NCR, which will in effect allow literally hundreds of millions of people to pay for things on retail with Bitcoin. I think this is fantastic, but I want to point out one thing. If you bought Bitcoin at $30,000 and then you go to a store and you want to buy a suit for $300 and you pay with Bitcoin, when you pay with Bitcoin, whether it's a suit or a Starbucks, in theory, you're going to owe taxes on the difference in the price of Bitcoin from the time you bought Bitcoin to when you sold it. So there is going to be a taxable event when you use it to buy. Just something that's not often discussed. It happens in all of the large economies. Once you buy Bitcoin and then use it to buy another object, whether it's a cup of coffee, a suit, or a car, you will owe a tax if Bitcoin is appreciated in value from the time you bought it to the time you purchased the item. For entertainment, Peter Thiel at the conference called Warren Buffett psychopathic grandpa from Omaha, and Bitcoin's enemy number one. A little harsh, but there's humor. Now, we all know that one of the things that has been happening is the Luna Foundation has been buying Bitcoin, almost $1 billion worth, recently. But get this, they're now buying other cryptos, and they just bought $100 million, are going to buy $100 million of Avalanche to help UST be a stable coin. Interesting that they're spreading out and they're not doing it at a large size as they are with Bitcoin, but nonetheless, we will have a stable coin that will be in part backed not by dollars, not by treasury bills, but by crypto. And the theory is that it's worth $1 per UST. The market's quiet on Friday. It should be quiet over the weekend. We don't have any big news items unless something happens in the Ukraine. For now, we're treading water above 40,000, below 45,000, and we need some momentum. We need some event to help us drive it above 50,000.